First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we're getting a pretty good breeze outside at this hour, but it is warmer southerly winds. And that's going to help us stay warm over the next few days. Even though there's rain chances in the forecast, everything's looking a little bit more spring-like and will feel more like spring over the coming days, especially into the weekend. We do see a couple of little showers popping up on radar, but these are few and far between. We had a few sprinkles this morning, not a big deal. Temperature 53 degrees, that's not bad at all. In fact, it's the winds out of the south that are really helping the temperatures moderate a lot. In fact, we can look at the winds from the last 12 hours. This is from the airport site, and as they of course take note of the wind hour by hour. We started midnight when the winds were calm. Look how the winds through the morning have really ramped up, and now we're into the 20-mile-per-hour sustained winds. These are not gusts, but these are sustained winds now. And so now that we're in the 20-mile-per-hour sustained winds, we could see some higher gusts of 30, maybe even 35 miles per hour. High fire danger this afternoon, so no burning outdoors, of course. And here we're already seeing now evidence of a 33-mile-per-hour wind gust coming up out of the south in Litchfield at the Mesonet site. And the Mesonet network very good at telling us kind of the real-time story of what is actually happening in your location. 28 up in Hartford and Ohio County is your current wind gust, and almost 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts now along the Kentucky-Tennessee border. It's going to be this way for pretty much the rest of the afternoon, so keep that in mind. Temperatures, though, being aided by those southerly winds, nice and warm now, and back to where we should be this time of the year. Mostly in the low to mid-50s across the area, almost near 60 now down near the Lake Cumberland area. Here is a live view from our AAA Systems weather cam, looking down Scottsville Road, seeing that mainly overcast sky, a little bit of filtered sun at times tries to break through, and occasionally you notice a drop or two of rain on your windshield. 54, the current temperature reading here in Bowling Green, and there are those breezy southwesterly winds coming in at 17 miles per hour. But notice how dry the dew points are, only in the 20s. That means here near the surface, it is extra dry, and the winds with that dry dew point and the brush that's around the area, well, that could mean any kind of fire could get easily out of control. Glasgow at 53 and mainly cloudy with some filtered sunshine at times after you started at 31 this morning. Here's the HD weather cam out of Greenville. 52 is your temperature. Litchfield is mainly cloudy, but some filtered sun there too at 53 degrees. Here is the Downing University Center at Western. 53, the current temperature there under a cloudy sky. A little bit of light rain showers passing through the area this morning. Those are, as mentioned, few and far between. The heavier showers off to the north of us, scattered showers further south. This is all in advance of the system that's going to be kind of playing a role in our weather as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours. 52 at the airport, 30s, 40s off to the north. Kind of a warm frontal boundary passing through the area is helping the winds ramp up and the temperatures go up. We are 17 degrees warmer now than we were at midday yesterday. High pressure moving further south and east of us, so that broad southerly flow will kick into high gear not only today but tonight and for tomorrow. And overnight tonight, we're looking at some of the better chances of some showers, possibly even a rumble of thunder, but we're not too concerned about severe weather. In fact, the severe weather threat has gone down instead of going up. This frontal boundary, even though it's slow in moving through the area, it's not going to completely move through because there's another wave of low pressure that's going to move along the front. So it's just going to sit here for the next day or two and continue to crank out chances of showers and thunderstorms. Another chance coming in Friday night into Saturday morning. But it's not going to wash out the weekend, which is good news. Windy and warm for the rest of today. A few isolated showers near 60, but only down to 53 tonight with that chance of showers overnight and maybe a thunderstorm. Tomorrow, showers ending in the morning, then partly sunny, 68, but yet another wave of showers Friday night into Saturday morning. But it's not going to be a washout all day. A little bit cooler by Saturday afternoon at 59, 63 Sunday, 70 Monday, and another chance for showers early on Tuesday morning. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.